Hi guys, today I'm testing my coax cable that goes from the receiver up to the satellite dish. So we're looking for DC resistance between the outer shield and the inner conductor. And we have 3.2 ohms. And we'll check the resistance between the probes, which is 0.5, so that makes it 2.7 ohms loop resistance. So that means it goes, I'm testing from the inner core up to the end of the cable, then I've got a short between the inner core and the sheath, and then it comes back down here. So I don't have to test from each end of the cable. It's easier if we just do a loop resistance like that. Hope that helps you guys. Thanks, bye.